Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make custom t-shirts just like as it is on the screen using Canva. I believe the mistake people make is trying to convert the mug, which I've done in my last tutorial. In case you want to learn how to make this, check the description, there's a link for this, or check the Canva playlist on how to do this stuff, and you can make this design very easy to make if you follow this tutorial. So back to the t-shirt process. Trying to make t-shirt on Canva can be tricky when you don't know how to do it. So let me just take you step. So first of all, making the mug is the same process when you try to make t-shirt, but the difference between the mug is the background for this looks like this. Trying to tell you this is a mug, but that of t-shirt just look this way means there is no background cup. All we have is just this plain design. So if you want to make that, first of all, you should go back home. In case you're new, just type canva.com from the screen and it opens up. You can start searching or you can create design from here. If you're new to Canva, this might look strange, but trust me, there are tutorials on how to use Canva, which I covered everything about making logo on a separate video, about making posters, about making flyers, brochures, social media, and all these. Now we are in the t-shirt tutorial, so you should learn all this so that you can have professional good use of Canva. So back to what I was saying now. So we can start from here and type t-shirt, or go straight to the design spotlight and move on to t-shirt by clicking on it and wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes time depending how powerful your network is, and I believe you can sell all this t-shirt when you don't see what we have just in hand with stuff like this. So let's say create t-shirt, and or we see some odd templates. If there are templates suggested by Canva, we can use from here. We see beautiful ones, super mom. We can decide to use these and customize these. And since I've showed you this, we still have this one with anything worth having takes time. So we can decide to pick this, or we can pick this one and it becomes ours. So how do we go about it? Just have a click on it and wait for it to open on a new tab, and we have that loading here. So black and yellow modern stuff. But always know that when you have this logo, it means it's a pro element. You can use it if you're on the free, so always check for that. But if you want to make use of this, you want to have access to this, I advise you join my team, and by the end of this video I'll tell you how to join so that you can use any of the elements on Canva all for free. So black and yellow modem, as said, we have this design and we want to put it on a t-shirt. Now it doesn't look like a t-shirt. Yes, that is where the trick comes in. So what other people do is they go to other website and try to mock it up. But what I tell you is, if your design is good, or you want to make a fresh design, you think you are good enough to make a fresh design, you can as well make a fresh design. Let's just say I want to say subscribe as a channel. I can come here and say subscribe. So what I do now is come to the test. You want to create a fresh one, you can pick any of these, or you move around here and find one of all this type pre-designed that has been given to you, and you pick that. So let's say I want to use this one. I'll click on it and it comes up. In no time soon it should finish loading and it appears on the screen, because all these are network based. Sometimes it takes time to process, and we should have it sooner or later. So now let's say this is ready and you want to save this. First of all, for you to use it, okay, now this is back, so I could type subscribe here. Let me select all and just type subscribe. Okay, so let's see what's here. Let me click inside. Let me say subscribe, subscribe. Then I can make some changes at the effect. Remember, this is an effect. I could come down here and try bend it this way. I have subscribe. Then I make it smaller like this. So I'll bring it in here and make it smaller again from here. Then I could make a copy of this. Simple way to make a copy. Come down here and bring it. It looks a bit thicker, or you can make another copy, make another copy, and you have this subscribe. Now you want to add other thing, like other element. You come down element down here, move down. If you think there are better ones you want to use, just move down till you get something, and you can pick this. If you think this is better, then click on it. It's going to load again, which takes time, and in no time soon it should load on the screen. So when you have the subscribe, the next thing you want to do is to check on the transparency. You can reduce the transparency if you think reducing it is good, but let's leave it that way. You can animate it, but it's not good to animate because this is not a video. So you have the subscribe and you want to add other stuff. Let's just make a copy of this. Let me bring it down and I'll rename it and say my channel. So now we're just trying to make a yellow t-shirt. Now this is how it is. Now I want to make some changes to this so that it doesn't look this way. This I'll bring it here. I don't want it. I'll delete that. Let's say Ctrl Z. Let me delete that because that's an error. So I don't want that at all. So I don't want that at all. So you can decide to put this behind or any stuff, but let me delete it. Now this is what we have, my channel. Now you have that. The transparency, let's say, is total is good. So you want to change the color, you can come here and bring something like a red color and click on it, and it should affect this sooner. So we have this, the same, this is a predefined design. Making changes to this, let's try use black. Okay, this is what we have. So let's go straight to the effect. Now we come down here at this place, we change the curve back to this place. So we have that, my channel, and you can bring it back to the normal design. And let's say this is what you have, you can bring it up here. Why this? You copy all of them that was used and you try bring it up, and you can put a YouTube an icon at this element side and call it YouTube. So let's just search for YouTube icon. When it comes up, we can use it. So in no time soon, we should have the YouTube icon already in our screen. All right, so okay, here we have it. Now I'm going to click on this one because this is totally free, there's no premium version. Then I'll bring it down here, and let's say I want to create our stuff, so I can come here and I'm good to go. So if I have other stuff, maybe a customized design, I can upload it here and put it there immediately. Let's say this is at the end here, you want to put something like subscribe, you say subscribe to my channel, you can write it there what you want, and this looks great. So now you're good, you can download this, which is the second page of this, or you can use both of them. So for you to do that, you can share, then you download. So let's say you download, now you download as PNG, then you can decide to use transparent background if you're on the pro, or you can leave it that way. We're good. So now you can download both page. It's going to download as zip file, but that's notwithstanding. Now you have your design ready, you want to customize it to it. Now we have to go straight to Canva. So going straight to Canva, let's go back home like this. The stuff is downloading as a zip file, which will extract soon by double clicking. So now it's going to open. So come straight to the app. So click on the app, it's going to open. So at the app section, so if in case yours does not show this stuff, it means you have to go back one step, or anyway, it should show if you're like this. So let's just go back home. It should be like this. Then click on app, then move on to smart mockup. Then when you move on to smart mockup, then you have to search. So Canva has provided almost 8,000 plus, which are range upon range upon range. So we can decide to use any of this t-shirt, or you can come down here and type t-shirt. Very, very simple. So let's come in here and type t-shirt. Type it there, and you have tons and tons of template you can customize, the one that fits your choice. So now I'm going to move down here and find for look for a very beautiful design that has t-shirt. So I'm going to keep on moving down. See, this one is very bold, which we can customize with this frame at the front. We can use it, but if you want to use behind, you can keep on scrolling down and you can use this to subscribe, or you can pick any of that and you have that. So let's come here and search for POLO if there's anything like that. So I'm going to search for that and see if there's anything like polo shirt. No, there is no stuff like that. Let's see if it comes up. If it comes up, good. If it doesn't come up, we can, okay, there are better options like that. Better options that I was given. There's better options. So I can decide to use this guy, which is pro. I'll use this guy. Then I'll select it. Then when I select, I'm going to unzip that file that I download. While I wait for that to load, my file, let me just open this file now. So now these two files, I'm going to download it, extract it. Let me copy it to my PC. Just Ctrl C. Then I'll paste it here on my screen so that I can use it. These are the 1, 2. So let me delete this that I used before because I'll not be needing it. So I'll be using this color here now. So now let me go back to design. It should be up. Okay, it's taking a little time to come up. So when it come up, we should, okay, now it's ready. So now the next is to select this design, ensure you're using the free one, then upload. So if we upload, then we move down to the desktop. Okay, we have that. So I have this design that I did, which is this. I'll hit on OK. It's going to upload as well. I can upload another file, which is the second one that I designed, which is this op. Now both of them are ready. Now click on the one I want and I select it and I use it. I have it mocked up. So clicking on this is going to tell you, hey, then select it. Then it's going to appear anytime soon all over this place. If it doesn't fit the shirt, I will make changes to the design. It doesn't take time, and I should add it. So it's loading now. We have subscribe, which is very, very bad because of the choice of template we use. Yes, the choice of template. So Let me adjust the image again. You can make it smaller like this. You can make it smaller this way. If you want to make adjustment, then you save. It's going to resize and fit in to the shirt. So we have subscribed my channel, but if you don't like that, I just make changes. You can come here as well, and you adjust, delete this from here, and you select another design from here. So let's select another design from here. Let's put up, and let's see. Okay, sorry. Let me select this up, then click on it. Okay, click, then select. So it's going to appear here. If it cuts through, then we have to pick another one as I've suggested. It should finish loading. When it's done loading, we should have that guy. You can pick order of this and just play around it till you get your beautiful design. It seems okay. You see, this is not amazing. This is not as amazing as we want. So over here, you can still search for more template by just going one step backward, or come here and search for t-shirt and see. So on the t-shirt, let's just make sure this is professionally looking. Sorry. Okay, so when it comes up, we have all this design. We are not using it. We want to still go back to our back days. We want to go back step, then we won't go straight to the app. Then we want to search for smart mockup. Then when it comes, we're going to search for t-shirt. Then when it comes up, we'll allow this to load. Then I'll pick one of these, my previous design that I used. From here, I have one of the recent design, which is at this place. So this was the best one I picked. You can pick that of gadget if you want to pick use gadget, or you can use anyone you like. So it loads anytime soon. When it finishes loading, I'll select this stuff. Then the next thing I'll do now is to pick the subscribe we used before, which is coming out very soon, very soon, very soon. So if you want to get access to the pro version of this, check the description. There's a link there that sends you to my YouTube, my Telegram channel. Join and comment. I need the link. Definitely, I will add you to my team so that. But ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So selecting this, I'm going to upload it. Then not upload as usual. Select this stuff, and we are good to go. It's going to sit inside here accurately. You see, subscribe and to my channel. So if you want to make changes, better still, you can delete this. Then finally on this, we can pick any of the design that we used before. You can decide to pick anything word, and I upload to this. Sorry. Then I'll select this. Then it's going to fit inside here as well, and it's all perfect. So anything word, this. So this is how to make a custom t-shirt using Canva. And when you're good, you can save mockup like this. When you save it, the next option that comes up is for you to download it as JPG or as PNG or as anything you want to download. So if you want to get notified when I make videos on from here, the design spotlight on YouTube editor, how to add lyrics and other crazy stuff, I advise you subscribe. So now when you're good to go, you can use InDesign or you download. So I want to download stuff. It's coming up in no time seconds. It should be opened. So we have that on our screen, beautifully seated on the screen. So this is what we have. Any stuff, and that is how to make smart mockup and how to make custom t-shirt. I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, I'll see you in my next video.